Hi, this is MmcKean with BISH'S in Junction City, and today we're going to look at this Jayco 24BH. Take a quick look at it and see what you think. In the front here, you'll see a electric tongue jack and two 7-gallon propane tanks. Coming around the side, you got full storage pass through on both sides, and it gives you a lot of storage room right there. You get a full wall awning with LED lighting, which is really nice. It comes with the dual doors. One comes out of the front bedroom, so you don't have to disturb your passengers if you want to get up early in the morning. And speakers. This one does come with the outdoor kitchen. Gives you a fridge, sink, and a place for your barbecue right there. So if you like to cook outdoors, there you go. Coming on inside. Again, this is a bunkhouse. So you have your rear bunks right here. This does flip up for storage, and you have a rear door so you can load in your storage, bikes or whatever you need to put in there. Gives you a little more storage. You do have a rear bathroom in this one, and being rear, it gives you a bigger shower and a nice sized bathroom right there. Coming on in, you get a full dinette booth, and it's a wall slide right here with your refrigerator and freezer. TV on the side over here. There is storage right here, which is kind of nice. So you get a closet coming in right at the front, right behind the TV. And then you get a mid-kitchen, 3-burner stove, microwave, oven, and a nice big country sink right here. Lots of storage in this unit, if you'll notice. And up front here, this is your bedroom. Queen size bed, tables on both sides. Full storage on the sides of the bed. And of course it comes complete with air and solar. So you get solar power standard in this. And yeah, come on down and see it. I hope you like it. This is the 2022 Jayco 24BH.